Hello, this is Jim. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, this is a lake that's right out our front door. There you can see our house from the water. It's a lake that we've been wanting to go out and explore. So recently I bought myself a paddle boat. And like I say, it's not a big lake, so a paddle boat's a perfect little exercise vehicle to get around. So rather than playing board games today, we decided we'd go out and explore. This lake is, as far as we can see, it's totally surrounded by Crown land. And up until now, we're actually the only people on the whole entire lake. We've got 27 acres against this lake, and so I don't know that anybody will ever be building near or around this lake, but I think probably not. So we thought we'd just go out, take a look, see if there's any good fishing spots or how deep the water is. We just sort of just checked the place out. We're looking for a place to go with peace and quiet, and we have found it. We were in an off-grid township, and it's just the perfect spot just for peace and quiet, to relax and just enjoy nature. So follow my channel, and I'll bring you some more videos, and we'll just see where this adventure leads us. Thanks for watching.